Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Ross is here again, and today we'll show you not one but two tricks about Xiaomi. How to force enable everywhere 120Hz refresh rate on your screen, and how to change your screen refresh rate to 90Hz. Let's start. Alright guys, this is Mi 11, but this guide should work on most Xiaomi phones which are using high refresh rate screens. All the Pocos, all the Redmis and all the Mis. Alright, let's check now my screen settings. Go to settings, display, refresh rate, and it's 120Hz is now enabled, and we can switch between 120Hz and 60Hz. But before we start, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, just do this now and hit that bell icon so you'll never miss a video when I upload it. Let's now go again to settings, my device, all specs. On MIUI version, if you tap 7 times, a pop-up message will appear and it will be written that you are now a developer on your device. Now when I tap, is written no need, you are already developer, because I already enabled developer settings. Additional settings, scroll down, and here you have now a new menu, developer options. Open it, scroll down and search for show refresh rate. Show the current display refresh rate. Enable it and you can see now 120Hz and 60Hz when it's constant. When you move the screen, it's changed to 120. Alright, let's go to home screen. It's 120, and let's check on other applications. For example, let's open Chrome and you can see it's 120Hz here. But now guys, let's open YouTube and you can see it's going down to 60, which is annoying. If you start scrolling here, it will be just 60. When we go to home screen, again it's 120. Alright guys, what we are trying to do now is just we want to enable 120 all the time. To do this, just go to settings, scroll down, display, and here refresh rate, just tap on it and enable 60Hz. Tap on it and now we have constant 60Hz on our phone. Just a simple trick. Open settings again, go to apps, manage apps, and search for battery and performance. Here it is. If it's not showing you, just tap on show all. You will have a button here, just tap on it. Now tap on that battery and performance and select clear data. Select clear all data and delete all data. Okay, and now all the data of this application is deleted. Let's go to home screen again. You can see we are on 60. Settings again, display, scroll down, refresh rate 60. Now select 120. Alright, let's now open YouTube. And what we have here, 120. YouTube now is working with 120Hz, and all the games you are playing, they will work with 120. We are forced high refresh rate all the time. And you can see it's normal when you leave it the screen constant without touching anything, it will go down to 60. But important thing is when you touch it, it will just be 120. Let's play a video, and even in the video it's 120. You can now start playing the games like Asphalt 9, like real racing, and you will watch the beauty of 120Hz. Remember, if you go again to settings, display, refresh rate, and you tap 60Hz, again you need to repeat the whole process. Alright guys, we are ready here. We enable 120Hz all the time. The next thing that we'll do today is to enable 90 Hz refresh rate. Why? Because why not? If you want to save some battery but you still want to have the advantage of high refresh rate screen, 90 Hz is probably the sweet spot, and it will save you some battery but the smoothness will remain. So to make all this happen, just we need to go again to settings, display, refresh rate, and you should enable now high refresh rate. If you are using 60, just enable 120 Hz. When you do this, we'll need to open Play Store and search for application Set Edit. Alright, let's write it. Set Edit, and here it is. Set Edit, Settings, Database Editor. Tap on it and that's the application from a manufacturer 4A. Now tap on Install. Alright, it's installed. When it's ready, just select Open, select OK. Alright guys, now on that screen, here it should be this device, and here on the right table you need to select System Table. It is now System Table, but if it's something else, just select System Table. And now what we need to do is just scroll down and keep scrolling until you find User Refresh Rate 120. Do you see it? User Refresh Rate 120. Now tap on that row, User Refresh Rate. Remember, don't touch anything else, just that row, User Refresh Rate, and select Edit Value. Now right here 90. Remember, it should work only on 60, 90 and 120 Hz, nothing less, nothing more. Right, 90, and select Save Changes. You can see it's not changing. This is completely normal. Now guys, let's just exit the application. And you can see what's happened. 90 Hz. Bam! We have 90 Hz on our phone. If it's not happen immediately, just restart your phone and it will show 90. Let's check on settings. You can see on a white background it's written here 90. Let's go to display, scroll down, refresh rate 90 Hz, and we made it. Now you can use 90 Hz refresh rate, so the smoothness will remain but the battery life will increase. That's the benefit. Let's check in YouTube. Even in YouTube we are using 90 Hz, which is perfect. Remember again, when we are 90 Hz enabled, if you are go again to display, refresh rate now is 90 Hz, and if you tap here and select 60 or 120, it will change the value, and you need to again do the whole process. You need to open again that application, Set Edit, and change User Refresh Rate again. Before you change the value in Set Edit application, 120 should be enabled. Now let's tap again here and you can see it's immediately changed to 120 Hz. That was the video for today. If you like this video and if this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.